Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Okay, and today I'm going to sow cucumber seeds. Okay, here I've written the names also, if you can just check out. Here I've written French beans. So today I'm going to sow two types of seeds. One is French beans. This I'm going to sow in this pot, and the cucumber seeds will be sown in this pot in which I have written cucumber, so that I can just differentiate that which seeds are being sown into which pot. So these are French beans. Let me just show you. I think these have to be soaked in water first of all, and then only I have to put it in the pot. So first I'll put it in the water, and then it will be soaked into the pot. Fine. So this I'm going to do later on. I'll show you how to do it. Let's just start with cucumber seeds now then. Let's just dig in some mud. This is clayey mud which I am using, because if you are going to use simple mud, in that plants don't last forever. So these are cucumber seeds. You can just check out. It is coming out on its own only. I'm not going to press it, as I've told you when I was sowing the tomato seeds. I'm not going to press it. I'll show you also how my tomato saplings are grown. I'm just going to hide them with the mud. And not be putting harsh water, and will spray with the spray bottle so that it can get enough water also. Otherwise the seeds will be destroyed if I'm going to put a lot of water into it, and that too harshly. This I'll show you when the saplings will be grown out of them. And as I have promised you that when the tomato saplings will be grown, how they are going to look, let me just show you. Once I'll just water them. So this is how I have just sown the cucumber seeds. These are my other plants. This is pudina, which I have grown. This is Raat Ki Rani. These are other plants. And this is the tomato one. See, these are the saplings which are grown. You can just check out. I have labeled it also with tomato. I hope they grow well. Just crossing my fingers. Hopefully they grow well. And the last one. Okay.